So hey, it's scratch off time yet again. I'm probably gonna lose again. Let's see. Oh, the winning number is 10. Didn't win 500 a week for life. Didn't win $100. Did not win $5. Did not win $2. Hey, I won! Yay! I had a good feeling about this card. When that 10 showed up as the winning number. Okay. Alright, this helps a little bit, because I was on a huge losing streak. So, we've got 10, 1, 10, 3, 4, 5, and the 10 that I won is $10. So that's really, really nice. Cool. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.